Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing obvious drains, update the OS and app so background fixes apply. Once done, cut screen brightness to around 50% and enable auto brightness. This reduces the single biggest draw. Make sure to disable Bluetooth, NFC, and location services when you don't need them. They constantly scan. Plug in the original charger for a fast, stable charge and close high drain apps. These first actions yield immediate runtime gains and stabilize battery behavior for the next steps. You now tighten control across the system. Enable battery saver or adaptive battery profiles to prioritize foreground tasks and defer background work. Next, restrict background activity for the apps that show the largest consumption. Force stop or uninstall rarely used heavy apps. Adjust sync intervals. Make email, social media, and cloud sync less frequent or manual. This reduces radio use. Also clear cached bloat and free storage. Since low storage can increase power draw, these adjustments cut midterm energy waste substantially. You finish by adopting smarter charging habits. Keep the battery between about 20% and 80% for regular use, and avoid full 0% to 100% cycles when possible, because shallow cycles are gentler. Make sure the device stays cool. Remove thick cases while charging and avoid direct sun or hot environments. If battery life still degrades, run a battery diagnostic and recalibrate by charging to full once, then letting it drain to shutdown. If that fails, consider battery replacement as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.